Hello guys and welcome back to Battle Cats. Currently I'm doing Parade of the Dead. Wanna see? That's the boss. But I have a way of beating him. See, this little dude, my other legend whale, is a zombie destroying machine. And guess what that thing is? A zombie. So I'm gonna win. I bet I will. There's also angels in this stage. So that makes it a bit harder. So yeah. Look how big he is though. He be giant. I seriously hope he doesn't get any closer to my base. Okay. Now we're good. A little bit close though. Okay, good. Stay back. Okay, good. I'm just doing the stage. I know I can beat it. Okay, there's another Braziliana. And guess what she does? Destroy zombies. Bop. I win. Now. So that's good. This part is pretty boring, but I don't know how to edit, so I'm sorry. Look, I got 2 of my legend whales out. Well, actually, technically 3, but 2 of the same legend whale. So yeah, I'm about to win. I seriously hope I get Cohen Cat from this. Nope. See, I already cleared the stage, so that's how I knew that I was going to win. But I can try Dead by Ancoy. So, let's just do this. Easy shot. Come on, hurry. Oh, this is taking a... Yeah, I know, it takes a bit. See, the problem is I don't know how to deal with these angels without my ramen cat. But the way said it was gonna be easy. Okay, good. I think I can win now. Oh, I seriously hope he doesn't get any closer. Good. This is always... What is hidden? Okay, good. Now we can survive now. Yep. Now we win. Dang, that hippo... Well, that goalie survived 3 helmet strikes. You know how hard that is? That means he had over 300k HP. Which is crazy. But now I win. So yay! Where's my recording thing at? Okay, there it is. I was worried that it wasn't recorded. That'd be bad. And I'd be sad. But I'm good. That's good for me. Oh. So, how much is XP? Okay, a mil. Good. I need XP. I'll just do this because I want to. Susie. Okay. So apparently I'm gonna need who he called. Well, Catasaurus. But I do also need... Okay, I'll just get rid of Courier for ramen, because I know that I'm probably going to need ramen. So, yeah. Sorry if I'm not talking that much. Oh, that's a lot of them. I seriously hope they can get a quit. Please. Okay. So it looks like I'm not gonna win here. Well, that's sad. Okay. So, I need to do something. Okay. What should I do? I do need like 30 more cat food, so what should I do? Well, wait. I could just, case the Cadman B, and it will still give me 30 cat food even though I've beat the stage. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. See, this is an easy way of getting 30 more cat food. So yeah. I got speed up on, so that's good. Okay. I'll hold this up. Oh no. Not angels. That could have been bad. See, the bad part about this stage is that there's angels. Which is like kind of extremely bad. Okay. It's gonna be pretty easy. So, yeah. This part's pretty boring. Like, all I'm doing is like, just doing this right now. Well, that's not what I was expecting. Oh no. I guess I really had to get rid of Catasaurus. Okay. So I'm gonna just get rid of Catasaurus and put in Courier Cat. Little cats. Where's Courier? Oh, down here. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Okay. I'm just trying. Okay. I need money fast. Okay. I'm gonna just. Stay away from. I need to get these hippos away from my one dude. Oh, so these are gonna get bad. Okay. I need money fast. Oh no. That means he's gonna come back to life. Oh no. Oh. Well, that's bad. No. Stop it. No. Bad. That's extremely bad for me. Okay. Since we're at the base, I think we're fine. Well, we're at the base. I seriously hate this dude now. Thank God. He's gone. And bop. Oh. Okay, so that means now I can do this. Where's the treasure radar? Boop. No, I'm gonna get. Where is it? Okay. There on W. Go right in. Wait, I'm recording. Okay, now I got it. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of this video. So bye bye.